What's up YouTube? It's Ben, and in this video, I want to tell you why recruiting is a necessary business in our economy. Now, before I go into this, allow me to introduce you to our Facebook group, Recruiter Empire. Link in description. You should definitely join 12,000 other recruiters where we pretty much talk about the recruiting business 24/7. Okay, so Ben, what do you mean recruiting is a necessary business, and why does that matter to me at all? Well, it basically means everything for you. Everything for your profit, your bottom line, for your revenue, for why you would even get into recruiting in the first place. So let's break it down. Just like people will always need food, shelter, water, people will always need jobs. Which means that clients or companies will always have a need for candidates or new staff. But clients and companies don't exactly know how to find candidates or good quality candidates, or they might not have the time to do so. Therefore, they pay recruiters to do it, thus making recruiting an absolutely necessary business in our economy. My main point here is that businesses that are absolutely necessary, right? Like the sale of food or places to live, etc. Businesses like that are bulletproof, and they are lucrative as hell when you scale them. This is exactly why I am in love with recruiting and staffing, because it's an infinite market, and that's exactly why you should be in love with it too. It's almost like having a monopoly, but not exactly the same thing, right? People will always have a need to hire other people. I don't know about you, but I'm gonna be the guy that's finding all of those people that those people need, collecting all those fees, and scaling the hell out of it till kingdom come. Think about it like legally printing money, except for the fact that you actually need to know how to recruit and staff. Necessary businesses are the absolute best businesses to be in because they can't fail unless you suck. But you don't suck, right? Since the inception of starting Recruiter Empire, we've helped students bill well over $15 million straight to their pockets. It's almost a joke of how awesome this particular business is, how necessary it is, how lucrative it is. But the bigger joke is how many of you aren't taking advantage of this specific business and market, especially when it's this hot right now. Look, I say all of this to encourage you, to inform you, to educate you, and ultimately to help you. So if this was helpful to you, go ahead and smash that like button. Be sure that you're in our Recruiter Empire Facebook group. Link right in the description. You can't miss it. We'd love to see you there, and I'll see you next time.